Hello, I'm Milind Danvekar. Today we are at Yashobhumi, New Delhi, where Startup Ka Mahakumbh, a startup conclave, has just been inaugurated. An excellent opportunity wherein you are seeing so many startups from all over India participating in big numbers. This time it makes it more special because we have a Goa pavilion wherein we have quite a lot of interesting startups from different parts of Goa participating across sectors, right from technology to food to beverages to waste management solutions. Besides that, we have a lot of self-help groups. For the first time, we have brought here to explore different opportunities for them as well. And I am pretty happy to see the kind of reactions I'm getting from them, for such kind of opportunities being made available to them. This is also a right occasion for us to basically promote our next upcoming event, which is called Amazing Goa. This event, which is a global summit and expo, is going to be happening from 8th to the 10th of November at Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. And this is going to be one of its kind biggest event that Goa has ever experienced. Now, what's going to happen there is that we are creating a platform which will basically allow a lot of entrepreneurs in Goa, a lot of budding entrepreneurs as well, a lot of startups to explore opportunities in their own businesses and explore export opportunities in particular. Goa is going to be basically going all out to make sure we invite delegates, investors from all over the world to make sure that we are getting good attention to the various activities that are happening in Goa, okay, which will create a platform, and we as a foundation want to be the catalyst which makes sure that we are helping the businesses to excel. Now, besides this, Vibrant Goa Foundation is also special because we think something besides the normal business promotion, and that's about inclusivity, it's about sustainability. Last time we made sure that the students are being involved into this entire event and create opportunities for students by giving them exposure, as a result of which people got job opportunities overseas. This time we continue to do so. Last time we also had the self-help groups which got included in this entire initiative, and I think there was a good outcome of that entire participation on inclusivity. Maybe Gautam, we should talk a bit more about that entire initiative that we have with the self-help groups.
Yeah, thank you, Milind, and we're really very happy to be here in Delhi for this Startup Mahakumbh, and we have around 15 self-help groups which are here with us. Really thankful for they have their families and they have come here all the way to promote Goa, to promote the products of Goa, and it's like a great teamwork which is happening here. Talking about upcoming Amazing Goa, organized by our Vibrant Goa Foundation. Like Milind said, last time we really had a great success in promoting the women entrepreneurs, in promoting the self-help groups, the local artisans, and the student buddy was a real super success where even the students got jobs overseas. A few students got job overseas, and today we are going ahead for doing something better than what we did earlier. So that's how we are here in Delhi to promote Amazing Goa
So
2024. Yeah.
So I think one good thing I would say about this participation is that this is a day one and we not even completed the day, and we already have interest from so many countries.
Absolutely.
Like we already have Japan, a delegation from Japan that came and visited us. We had people from Dubai who came and spoke to us out of interest. People from UK which came down here. So I think we are able to use this platform very nicely to attract the global attention to what we are doing. Besides that, I think a lot of people who are participating around here, 200 odd startups, many of them are so excited to know about this particular event and have expressed their interest to participate. So I believe this is a good platform wherein I feel everyone from Goa should make sure that we make maximum out of it and see how you can basically explore the right opportunities in a very timely fashion and not wait for the last, and prepare yourself to participating and getting good success from this overall event that you're doing. Overall, I feel that Amazing Goa is going to be the future platform for all the entrepreneurs and budding entrepreneurs to basically make sure that they are aspiring to work towards making Swayambhurna Goa, Atmanirbhar Bharat, and also achieving a 1 trillion economy dreams that we are working towards. So yes, very happy, very excited, and a lot of positivity around. Looking forward to Amazing Goa.
Yeah, and like Milind was talking about Swayambhurna Goa. Swayambhurna Goa now has, we have started something called swayambhurnagoa.com, that is Swayambhurna Goa e-Bazaar. and there are around 200 plus female entrepreneurs who are from the rural areas also, local artisans who have been onboarded on this Swaympurna Goa platform. And this is an initiative by our beloved Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. It has been a great success actually, and we are going ahead with this kind of online platform which will sell our Goan products not only in Goa, out of Goa, but also overseas.
I think we should also thank the government of Goa for supporting such initiatives, right? I think it's very difficult sometimes to understand what's going to be the outcome of it, but I think having taken that chance, and today I think it's very important to mention that we had the Honorable Minister for Industries who visited here, and I think the way he talked about Goa, at the main event that happened, I think it was really nice, very well received by everyone, and I think. The entire investment and the thought process that the government has gone about creating this platform and making sure that self-help groups are included, not only the technology-driven business, but self-help groups talking about the various schemes that Goa has to offer, and market Goa as an alternative destination to be considered for businesses, not just holiday. I think it's something remarkable. Everyone here, I think, down in at the various pavilions in Goa are probably very thankful for this kind of support they've received from Goa. One of its kind is what they believe, and I feel that this is really something will go a long way in terms of building a trust with that entire entrepreneurial community and creating a very good ecosystem for the startups in Goa, which will help them excel. I wish more and more such kind of initiatives are supported, more and more businesses, genuine businesses are supported, which will make sure that Goa is going to be a place for people to excel and make sure that we live our dreams from Goa. So yes, I think once again, superb event, very well organized event, and I think just worthwhile, for the time that we spent, the people we're meeting, and the kind of positive updates we're getting from everyone. So yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Follow PBN Bharat, like, share, and subscribe.